Hey everybody, welcome back. You've got Daniela with Adventures in Consciousness, and welcome back to our Sacred Chakra Dance Combo Mini-Series. Today, I've got my blue on, and we are going to be working on our neck and a little bit on our shoulders as well, because I personally find that a little bit of shoulder and neck action very Indian inspired, very kind of Michael Jackson inspired, is what allows me to tap into this vocal center, as well as, of course, doing things like singing along with any of the music that I'm dancing to. Anytime you can actually hum or sing or activate this vibration that you can feel when you talk, right? You're activating that energy center. So, with this one, it's actually very important because your neck is such a pivotal, pivotal part of your body. Dad jokes coming in hot. It's very important that you, when you're starting to learn how to move your neck, right, that you take it slow. If you're not used to this movement, please take it slow. Be safe. Do neck stretches. I'm going to use the other hand, right? Do your neck stretches and things like that. You know, be very gentle. Start slow. Start with slow movements. Or small movements rather than trying to like jerk your neck all the way over to your shoulder. You know, like you see some pros do. They're like, wow. And you're like, oh, okay, is she a swan or what? Right? Love them. All power to them. But it just, if you're starting out, please don't expect yourself to be able to crank your neck in a lot of these ways because we do not want you hurting yourself accidentally. So, with that said, let's hop on some music. And we're going to play a little bit with our neck. And again, I say it's Indian inspired. This is a great way to bring in multiple disciplines in dance and activating your sacred chakras. Right? So this is a bit of a different movement. I don't know if we've gone into neck stuff. I don't know if I've done tutorials on neck stuff. I honestly can't remember. It's been there's so many things. It's like so many things flying in your eyes you just don't even know. And I'm sure you do. Life just flies. But it's like I could have, in few of the timelines I've already done tutorials on this, but in a few I haven't. So which one am I in? I don't know. Welcome to Hyper Spiritual Life, you guys. Sometimes you're just like, I don't know what day it is. It's okay. It doesn't fucking matter. What did I do last week? Who cares? What are you doing now? Anyway, sorry. So when we're doing neck things, again, remember, if you're not used to it, to practice softly. But it's just activating it from side to side. So you're not tilting it, you're pulling it. It's a very small movement, but very powerful. Because as you know, some of the most soft-spoken people on the planet, some of the most powerful people on the planet have been soft-spoken. But the greatest power requires the lightest touch. So this is when you can start to play around gently. Please be careful. Please, please, please be careful. And just roll it around. Okay. And it helps too sometimes if you've got a wall. Right? If you got your wall. So you would be standing in the position, right? Assume the position. But you'd be standing here so that you can hold your shoulders and your chest. Right? So you can do that to practice. Moving your neck without moving other things if you're working on isolating. So you can bring it in. Little snake arm there. And you can tilt, But if you're working on just the, don't start tilting it first, just so you can get the action, right? Because then you can go and use it as an accent. Right? So that is the movement, the little combo. It's a shoulder snake roll and a neck. Right? Again, remember to have fun with it. I'm just sharing combos with you that personally I have found that allow me to start to activate and release through these energy centers. If you find other movements that work better for you, knock yourselves out, ladies, right? So this is that little bit of combo that I have found that works really well with your throat chakra and being able to express yourself. Because again, you start to use your arms, it's starting to connect to your head, right? You're starting to work the connection between your brain and your heart. Right? Bring them in whatever layers and combos and things like that that you like. Play around with them. So that's a little bit of the neck action when it comes to our throat chakra. So again, you can use your shoulders, you can use your neck, just be very gentle and you don't want to hurt yourself. Next up, we're going to be going on to our third eye. And in this case, we'll actually be using our two eyes to do another Indian inspired movement to activate and work with our inner third eye. All right, so we're gonna have a little bit of fun with our eye play and a little, bring our neck into it, right? Because you're starting to activate the head. So we're gonna be playing a lot with that next time. So join me next time to play with our third eye chakra. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. I love hearing from you guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you like this video. I love you guys, and thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Off to find something indigo. Gotta have something indigo in this house.